Hello friends, today I am going to explain you how to create a drill down report in Eclipse, Java Eclipse. Here I have created two reports, a drill down master and a drill down child report. Now I will show you how to create these reports step by step. First, go to data source, right click on this, click on new data source. Here you will create a new data source. Click on JDBC data source, click on next. Now on clicking on next, what are the next operation I am going to show you from here. Here I have created already a database. These are the parameters which you have to fill. There are options in drop down list, you can select here. So these are the parameters you have to fill up here. Okay. Now come to data sets. Right click on data set, click on new data set. On clicking on new data set, it will show a window. Here you have to create a name of data set. Let us create a new data set. Okay, click on next. You have to choose here from which table you have to show the data. You can directly click and drag the name from the table and much more option. Here I have already created a data set. I am going to show you the settings of these data set and what are the parameters which I have filled in this data set. Yes, see here I have a lot of tables in this database, and I have selected data set table name purchase. All selecting this table name purchase, this is showing the result which are in the data set. Okay, I'm cancelling it. So you can directly drag this data set from here to here. I'm not doing this because I have already done this. Okay, now I'm showing you how to create a hyperlink on a column name or row name. Click on the client name. Here whatever the client names are showing, I am going to create a hyperlink for that client name. Click on client name, come to here properties. In properties you have a tab hyperlink. Click on hyperlink, come to the edit option, select the drill through. Now go to report designs, click on this, select the child, drilled down child report. Okay, now what is drill down child report? I am going to show you. Drill down child report, it is that report which is going to be open on the clicking of that hyperlink. The process is the same for creating that drill down child report. You have to first create a database, then create a data set, and then drag and drop all these the previous functions I have told you already. So let us see how to create a hyperlink for this drill down child report. Click on edit, go to drill through. Here I have select the drill down child report. Okay, click on OK, click on add. Here you can name the parameter any name. Okay, you can create here any name. Go to the function. In function, go to the available column binding, tables and client name. Click on OK. It will fill up the first row with the name you have written, user, and the client name. Click on OK. On clicking on OK, Now see what will happen. Here you can see here on client name, this is a hyperlink. You can click here and go to the on clicking on this hyperlink you will go to the next child report. This is the child report. Now what are the settings for this child report? First of all, double click on this dataset, go to the parameters. Here you can create a new parameter, name of the parameter, and first you have to make a report parameter. Right click on report parameter, click on new parameter. On new parameter you have to give any name like I am going to show you, like I have given a name user which I have already created. Okay, after giving any name you have an option on OK. After clicking the OK, a new report parameter will be generated here. I have created a user parameter here. I am going to show you how this report parameter is going to be used in this report parameter in this all these functions. I have double click on the dataset and now go to property binding. Now go to the property binding. Okay, now what are the other work we have to do? Double click on child data set and click on the property binding. On the parameters. On clicking on parameter, I have created already here a new parameter username. You can create here new. I am going to show you what are the setting of these parameter. Name, username you can change here, or you can create your own new, and you have to select here the link to report parameter. Here you will have option none and user. User is that name which we have created here in report parameter. Select this user and click on OK. OK. Now we have done. I am going to show you how this drill down is going to work. This is my drill down master report which I have first created. Click on view report as PDF. This is our master table. Here you can click on this link, client name. I am going to click on Ashu. Here you can see in child report we have the other details of the customer name Ashu. Name is Ashwani, customer ID is 12, and these are the other details of the customer name Ashu. Okay, this is all about the drill down report. Thanks for watching me.